You know, it's been a few weeks since I've been out to this path in this section of woods, and look what has popped up in a matter of, I don't know what, like a week or so. It looks like chicken of the woods. As you can see, it is huge, but it's like rotted. Like I think I'm like a week late or something. Maybe a few weeks late. You see all the flies on it, but this is immense. It's possibly was the chicken of the woods that grows out of the ground, but it is like nasty. But look at how huge it is. You can see from my hand. I wish I was here like probably a week or so ago. We've had a lot of rain, but it's literally just falling apart and nasty, rotten. That is one big specimen though, but oh, I can smell it though. Blech. Crazy. It's weird light. It's really big. Well, the good thing is this one is definitely not edible, but if there's one, there must be more out here, so I will continue looking. All those flies. I still can't believe this. As they say, timing is everything, and it was not here at the right time for this one. But it's a beauty. And it's 3 days later, and it's like melted back into the earth from which it came. I will definitely not touch it now, but it is like a paste. It almost looks like someone got sick here. Timing is everything.